everybody. Today we are going to make a German raspberry pudding cake, along with my grandma. Hello. Also, don't mind where my shirt is. I do this every time on weekends.
So now we need to put some salt in there.
So first, you get some flour. You put it in a pot like this, and then you get a couple of tablespoons, and you get a bowl of sugar.
This is salt.
Wait, this is salt?
Yeah.
Okay.
So
Not salt.
Okay.
I mean, not
Here,
sugar.
just put one of those in here.
So you just put one of these in here.
Okay. Maybe a touch more, because what I am doing is I'm going to make the...
Also, one thing of what we did last time, which is just for testing, we added a little bit extra. It came out really good.
Yep. Okay, mix this up.
Okay. So you get your
Your flour and salt and mix it up.
So you get a wooden spoon here, and then you start mixing it up. Make sure you don't do it too fast, or else it'll get out of the pot. Yeah, like that.
That's all right.
Yeah, it's all right.
We can have it.
We can lose a little.
Okay.
Win some, you lose some.
That's good enough right there.
Okay, that's good enough.
Set this to the side.
Set this to the side. Now it looks like that. And I think I can, yeah. Can you guys see that? Yeah.
Okay, set it to the side now.
So is that before? Okay, now you just set these aside. Now it's time for butter. So you want to get a butter knife, or just using another type of knife.
Be careful.
And what you want to do for a strategy, you just want to cut like a long side into small pieces, and then you cut them the other side. So that'll that'll be cut up into tiny little pieces.
Yeah, here, let me just do this part here.
Don't worry, I cut my finger before, and it didn't.
We don't want to cut our fingers, so don't put your finger underneath there.
So you gotta be a little careful
knife
with
for
it.
this here.
Okay. Should I get a butter knife just in case?
Yeah.
Okay.
Good.
We got sugar, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Here, let me cut it in these long pieces,
yeah.
and then... There we go.
See, it cuts really. So don't use other knives like this one. You just want to use a butter knife. Now I want to cut it.
Okay. Yeah.
Okay. Choppy chop time.
Yeah. Now hold this with your hand over there. No. Hold this there. Here.
Just gotta put that
That's
in.
okay. No, just hold the board here so it doesn't slide. But don't put your... What's your finger, sir? I'll help you a little bit. This is kind of teamwork.
just want to put the butter on the corners of the pot. Like you just like slide it like that. And then when you're done, you just take off the edges and you put it in the pot. Like you just put it on the side. Sometimes it'll just drop in, and then sometimes some things will stick to the knife. So it'll do that. But sometimes it'll really stick like that. So
then we don't do that. Remember
don't
this
do
on
that,
the side?
just like that.
Because it makes the knife dull.
No. We don't want the, oh.
And we try to keep the butter.
Beep.
Well, we get Lexi clean up. We try to keep
The Lexi vacuum cleaner. Lexi is our dog. Also, this is just my grandma's house, not my house.
Okay. Now what we'll do is now to make this easier rather than picking it all up, take this on here.
And you just scrape it off.
Yeah, and then scrape it down in there.
Also, remember to watch your fingers.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Okay. So now I'm going to try something
Just like this.
something different than we'll use this instead of the fork. This might be easier.
Yeah.
Okay, now we get this all until that
This looks like one of those things you use to like get the stuff out of Halloween pumpkins.
Yeah, let me just get this corner here.
Like to get the goopy stuff out of Halloween pumpkins and the inside. Like
Now always like hold this with your one hand, the bowl that way, and now you can just kind of go.
Also, you want to like cut it until it's like a couple of centimeters
Diameter.
yeah. Or you could just cut it up smaller. Well, wait. If you cut it up smaller, did you say that would burn in the oven? Or did you just
No, it's just
say if we left it in too long it would melt the
just that
butter?
it needs to kind of mix with the flour, you know.
Okay. So yeah, you can cut up smaller. Yeah, it looks like that right now. Cut it up more.
Yep. Like there's some big pieces over there.
Oh, I didn't notice that bunch. Man, already 10 minutes has passed.